Welcome back, everybody. Are you a small YouTube channel? Couldn't get partner? No problem. I'm going to teach you how to make money off of your small YouTube channel today. Stick around. Welcome back, guys. If you're here, you are here to learn how to create, engage, and inspire your community, your clients, your customers to grow your sales and your business. I'm Dan Willis of MillennialMotivator.ca, and today we're going to talk about small YouTube channels and how to make them profitable. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell over here. I put out videos Monday through Saturday to help businesses learn how to create, engage, and inspire. Been there, done that. We're in a circle here. Today is all about bouncing back from the YouTube partner debacle. If they're calling adpocalypse the past things that happened, we'll call this partner-pocalypse, I guess. But the partner-pocalypse has come. And what happened, if those of you aren't aware, is I already did another video on it yesterday. You guys can check that out a couple days ago. But the reality is this. YouTube changed its partner requirements. A lot of the small YouTubers that used to be part of the partner program, because it was solely based on views, have been removed. They don't have the watch time. They don't have the subscriber count. They've been removed from partnership. And there's a lot of people that are genuinely upset about this. They've put in the time and effort. They had a carrot dangled in front of their eyes, and it was taken away from them. So I understand the frustration, and I want to help. So today's video are a couple different ways that you can go about creating and replacing and increasing the income that you make off of your YouTube channel as a small channel. We're talking 100 to 1,000 subscribers, okay? So get out the notepad, get out your journal, get out your Post-it stack if you've got one. I highly recommend these. But grab your stuff, grab your gear. We're off and running. Let's go. Okay, guys, first up is the Brave browser, okay? I'll put a link down in the description to the Brave browser. You guys can grab this. It's a great way to actually be able to choose who you're going to support on YouTube, okay? The browser allows you directly in the browser to, through crypto donation, donate directly to a channel, okay? And the beauty of this is the browser is safe, secure, it runs fast, it's a great tool. I know typically I'm a Google fan and I tout Chrome and all that it does, but this functionality that Brave offers for you to donate directly to a channel just by watching it is immense. It's an amazing thing. If you're a small YouTube creator and you don't have a profile on Brave yet, get on there. Get on there right away. It allows those that use the Brave platform to use to use that browser to reach in and say, we want to support your channel directly, okay? Now, to pair this with Brave, I'm going to put Patreon in with this as well. And Patreon, if you're not aware of that, again, all links will be down below for you guys. But Patreon, if you're not aware, is a way for your community that you've built to directly support you. Make sure that you bring that to people's attention. I have a Patreon. It's down in the link. It's in the links below. I leave it there for people. The reality is, Patreon is a way for your community to say, yes, we want to support you in what you're doing. So if you are a YouTuber that is consistent, putting up quality videos, and has built a community, Patreon and Brave are going to be a great way for you to use the small community, albeit small, but still a community that you've built towards your goal. So think about this. We were aiming for $100 a year, all right? You're a small YouTube channel with 100 subscribers. Only 100 subscribers, let's say. If you only have 100 subscribers and one out of your 100 subscribers donates $1 a month to your Patreon or to your through Brave, you're already going to be breaking that. One subscriber, $1 a month for a year. Wouldn't that be nuts? You'd be making the same amount, if not more, than you would have made off the ad revenue, okay, guys? But some of you who are smaller YouTubers that haven't hit the 4,000 hours and 1,000 subs, let's say you have 500 subscribers and you hit 1 out of 5 and they give $1 a month, you're up to $100 a month. It's a much more profitable way about going about this, guys, and allows your community to support you. So it goes something like this. You would say, if you guys enjoy the videos that you're watching, make sure to check out my Patreon down below. There's lots of great benefits that I throw in there, including consulting, copies of my free book. Check it out, and all I ask is that you go down there and donate $1 a month. That's all I'm looking for from you guys, $1 a month. That's the pitch. It was my pitch just now, but it can be your pitch as well. Okay, so we've got our Patreon Brave strategy down. What's up next? Merch. This one's not my merch. This is my merch. Engage, create, inspire, right? It's the brand. Most channels now have a brand, a slogan, a logo, something that they've branded their channel with. If you haven't done that, go check out Roberto Blake's video on how to brand a channel effectively. It was very helpful for me. I'm sure it'll be helpful for you. But the reality is this. If you brand your channel and you have a logo or a slogan, there are so many opportunities out there, whether through Teespring or, I mean, there's a list of them that you can use, but Teespring is the one that I use. I'll put the link for that down below. You guys can go check out Teespring and pump out one of these shirts, and you don't pay to have the shirts printed. You don't pay to have the shirts sent to you. You just create the logo, the design, you put it up there, you create a store for your channel, send people to it, let them know where they can buy your merch. Bam! You make 10, 15 bucks off of every t-shirt. So, again, you're looking for $100 in a year. Let's say you sell 10 t-shirts in a year. That's less than one a month. Less than one t-shirt a month to your community. How much do you make? I know a lot of graphic design and gaming channels out there that a t-shirt merch concept would be massive for. Just massive. You definitely need to check out this simple process, guys. So, if you haven't considered merch before and you're a smaller YouTube channel, go click that Teespring link down there. Give it a try. It's tons of fun. It takes maybe 15, 20 minutes to get everything set up and you're off and running. Next up, I'm going to pair these two together. It's going to be knowledge-based services, okay? Whether you are in gaming, graphic design, consultancy, book reviews, even vlogs, fitness, parenting, you name it. Whatever niche you've carved out for your channel on YouTube. The reality is you have knowledge about how you created a YouTube channel and what you're speaking about. Great. That means that you have the potential to A, write a book, B, create a course. These are two very simple methods. Kindle Direct Publishing through Amazon is a very simple tool. It took me probably 2 days to get my book all set up and properly formatted and all that jazz. But to write a book, you sit down and you grind out a chapter a month for a year, okay? So we're talking it'll take you a year to write a book. Some of you can do it faster, some can't. And all you're doing is sharing your knowledge. It doesn't have to be some super fancy, scholastic, scholarly English masterpiece. It just needs to be an honest interpretation of your knowledge, your viewpoint, and what you do, okay? So, if that's the case, you pump out a book in a year, great. Now that you've got the book out there, sell one book a month. Charge 10 bucks for it. You're up to the 100 again, right? Not too difficult. Your course. Most courses out there, if you take the time to create a course, it'll take you 3 to 6 months. You create a quality course about your knowledge, and in 3 to 6 months, you have a course built that is of interest to those that are subscribers to your channel because it's based on the knowledge from your channel. So all you have to do then is, okay, great. I've created a course. Here are the people that love what I do. You people, come over and check out my course. And we'll say it's 30 bucks for the course, right? Took you 6 months. 30 bucks for the course, and you just leave it up there. Now you've got a course for $30, right? And bam, all you have to do is sell three in the next 6 months of the year. Do you think you can sell 3? I think you can. If you're a YouTube channel that has a small subscriber rate, it's a dedicated subscriber rate. Those people are there to watch what you do. It's going to be so simple for you to go out there, take the 3 to 6 months, create a course that shares your knowledge, shares your wisdom, helps people get to where they want to go or achieve a goal, and then bam, you need 3 sales to make it worthwhile. I guess technically 4. Well, let's make it 40 bucks then, right? Let's make it 40 bucks. 40 bucks for a course, okay? 3 sales to make more than you would have made with the AdSense revenue. It's a simple method, guys. 10 books or 4 courses. That's not too difficult. Every one of you out there that has 100 to 200 subscribers or more can make that happen. Last but not least, guys, the affiliate. Affiliate links is one of the greatest things that isn't in contravention to the YouTube community guidelines. Most big channels do it. Most small channels do it. If you're not a member of an affiliate program, you need to be, okay? And it's not hard. It's simple to join. The ones that I advocate for out the gate are, if you have a website, ClickBank, I highly recommend. If not, you're going to be looking at Amazon for the Amazon affiliate program. Either way, both of those are really simple, really easy to do. Great niches for that would be books, guys. If you're a book review site. If you're an author, if you're a writer, it's a great place to go because you can pull directly from that, from the Kindle Marketplace, showcase the books that you're reviewing, put a link down below, and earn on referring them to that site. So, great way to go, guys. If you're not part of the affiliate program for Amazon or ClickBank, that's where you need to be. That's what you need to do. Last and not least, guys, the consult. The consult it's where I, as a business, make most of my income. I am a digital marketing consultant professionally. So what I do is I help people take their businesses, understand what they do with them, understand what their brand is, what their message is, who their community is, and then engage them effectively. And I walk businesses through that model. I'm not going to give you exact figures on what I charge for that, guys, the consultancy to my businesses, but I will tell you this. It is enough to provide a mortgage for my home of 7 children and my wife. It is a great way to create awareness, create a community, build your channel, and vice versa. If you have a channel that has 200, 300, 400, 500 subscribers, chances are something that you do on your channel is of value to a business. So all you have to do is take your channel, create great content, leverage it to those businesses as authority on, here's what I know, here's the proof, check it out. They can take a look at your YouTube videos, go, this guy knows something, let's tap his shoulder, figure it out. Put your email down below for them to contact. My business email's down there for people to reach out and say, I don't know how to promote my YouTube channel, my website, my e-commerce, my brick and mortar business. Can you help me? And people message. I send back an estimate and bam, you're off and running. But I promise you this, if you go the consultancy route, it's an amazing thing because it will just steamroll off of your channel. You consult well, it will build your channel because people will send people back to your channel, which gives you more people to consult for. And you see how this rolls, right? So make this count, guys. Make it stick. If you have skills, knowledge that you can apply to helping people in their business or their life goals or their endeavors, whatever it may be, everybody can do a consultancy. It's not a difficult thing to get started. Try it. Figure it out. What would you teach people? Make sure that's clear in your videos. Put a link or an email in your comments. Off and running. In review, ladies and gentlemen, you've got the Brave slash Patreon option, right? So you're earning off of people that are already subscribers to your channel and want to support you, okay? Then you've got your merch, t-shirts, swag, right? Swag. Do it. It's not hard. That didn't take too long. Next up, you've got books. Write a book or write a course. Then you've got your beautiful affiliate option, right? Everybody loves the affiliate option. You can do that. All that is taking links off your affiliate site and putting it into your comments below, making it relevant to your videos. Don't spam it. Don't spam it. Don't do it. Don't spam it. You hear me? Don't spam it. But make it relevant to your community. Make it about what you want to do, who you want to be. And then last but not least, be a consultant. Share your knowledge to the profit of those that need it. These are simple things all of us can do, guys. Each of these methods will produce more income for you than AdSense ever would have, or ad revenue from YouTube ever could have, guys. 90% of the people that were excluded from the partner program would have made $100 or less a year. If that was you and you're upset, I'm not discounting the fact that you're upset, and I get it. It's not about the money. It's about the time and the commitment, and they dangled a carrot and they took it away, and that can hurt. I get it. But I will say this to you. You've got two choices. You can sit there and whine about it, or you can pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and move forward. The reality is this, guys. YouTube isn't going to change their policy because a bunch of people whine about it. Because those people that they remove from that program that are going to be upset about it are the people that weren't making them money. They're going to focus. They're a business. At the end of the day, YouTube is a business. They're going to focus on the people that make money. So, for you, if you are actually concerned about the money on your channel, take these methods, put them to work, you'll be good and gold. If you're somebody that just loves creating content on YouTube, you don't even need this. This is just bonus, right? But I still recommend that you give it a shot. That's it for today, guys. If you liked what you heard, give me that thumbs up down there. You know, share this out with your friends that are small YouTube creators. And question of the day is, which of these 5, 6 methods are you going to give a try for your YouTube channel? Catch you tomorrow with another video, guys.